Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Unity Car. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Brezza, a front that turns heads. Guys, if you haven't seen the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Brezza yet, then trust me, you're missing out. People who once thought of Brezza as just a normal compact SUV are now stunned by its bold new design, and especially in white color, it looks absolutely breathtaking. Front look, a design that leaves everyone awe. Let's start with the front look. Guys, this time Maruti has transformed the Brezza's front to make it look like a premium SUV. The first thing that catches your eye is the massive front grille, now larger, more aggressive, and featuring chrome highlights that give it such a premium feel. You might mistake it for a high-end SUV, and right in the center, the Suzuki logo shines brilliantly, making a bold statement even in the dark. Now, coming to the headlamps, here we get sleek LED headlamps, slimmer and more powerful than before, and right below them, the L-shaped LED DRLs add a killer look to the front. The moment you turn them on at night, it feels like you're looking at a futuristic car. Moving to the bonnet, this is where you realize that Brezza is now a true muscular SUV. The sharp creases on the bonnet give it a tough and rugged look. If you see it from the front, you'll feel like a powerful beast is ready to hit the road. Now, let's talk about the front bumper. Maruti has put in a lot of work here. The sporty bumper, large air dam, and silver skid plate give it a proper SUV stance. The fog lamps come in a stylish housing that enhances its aggressive front look, especially at night. Side profile, dominating the roads. Now, let's move to the side profile. The first thing you'll notice is the muscular wheel arches, giving it a big SUV feel, paired with dual-tone alloy wheels, which shine beautifully while in motion. The floating roof design gives it a modern SUV look. People who thought Brezza was just a simple car will definitely change their minds after seeing this. Rear look, modern and bold. Now, let's check out the rear profile. Maruti has added some premium touches here. First, the LED tail lamps, now sleeker and more stylish than before. When you hit the brakes, it looks like a luxury SUV signaling on the road. Below, the sporty bumper and black cladding add a tough feel, and the most striking feature, the high-mounted stop lamp, which is visible from a distance at night. If you're driving on a highway and look at it from behind, you'll feel the strong presence of a powerful SUV. Full back look, killer from every angle. Talking about the full back look, this SUV now appears wider and more stable. The roof spoiler adds a sporty touch, while the black cladding at the bottom balances the whole design. No matter which angle you view it from, the bold and stylish look is sure to impress you. This is the SUV, this is the style. So guys, if you're looking for an SUV that is bold, stylish, and powerful, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Brezza is a fantastic choice, especially in white. This car shines differently on the road. Its sharp front, aggressive stance, and modern design make it truly special. Your like is our motivation. And hey, please support us. We work day and night to bring you these videos, but when you don't like them, it really demotivates us. Your one like and one comment give us the energy to keep making videos. So please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which feature of the Brezza you like the most. Also, tell us which car you want to see in our next video, and we'll make it happen. Nothing is possible without your support. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.